Hey there, welcome back to our channel today. I'm going to show you an incredible trick how to swap faces in photos for free. It's super fun and easy, so let's get started. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, let's search for ClickDrop AI. Now, click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the ClickDrop AI website, look for the Swap People option. Now, you can either paste an image or choose a file from your computer. Choose any image. Once you've selected your image, click on Open. Now, let's give it a minute to process. Next, click on Replace Face. Choose another image for the face swap. Let's wait for the magic to happen. To download your swapped image, simply click on Download. And there you have it.